guys, welcome back to Template Tutorials. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create a beautiful poster like this. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, I have to go to a layout there and I'm going to change it to blank. So from there, move on to the design tab and go and customize the slide size here, this slide. So go and click on custom slide size. So from there, you can see the default one there will be widescreen. So just click on it this way and go and click on E4 and then come and click on portrait. And lastly, click on maximize, and finally, again, maximize. Alright, so now I would like us to zoom in a little so that we can have a clear view. So when you zoom in like this, the first thing that we are going to do here is to insert a shape. So where can I locate the shape? You can locate shapes at the insert tab. So when you click on the insert tab, you can locate shapes here. So just click on it this way and come and click on the oval shape here because that's what I want us to insert. So I'll draw my oval shape like this. So the oval shape has an outline. Every shape when you insert it at the first time, it will have an outline. Let me zoom in so you can see how the outline looks like. You see this is the outline. Alright, so I want us to remove this outline. So how do you remove the outline? You can see that you can remove it by coming to the shape outline here. Click on it this way and click on no fill. You see it will be removed. Alright, so let me now zoom out. So from there, I want us to increase this shape a little. I want it to be a little bit bigger. So at the bottom here, it should cross more than half. And here also, it should be near the left end. So that should also be more than half. Alright, so I think this is not looking bad. So the next thing again I would like us to do is to right click on it this way and go and click on format shape. When you do that, the properties of this shape will appear at the right side of my screen here. So just go and click on the fill here because I want us to change the color here. So when you click here, you click on the color orange here. So just click on it this way. So when the color orange occupies this shape, simply have to go back to the color again and go and click on more colors. Because I want us to customize this color orange. So the new color that we have to achieve will appear here. So to do that, I'll simply bring this one here. Alright, so and now you see the new color that you have to achieve. Then click on OK. So you see it has taken place. Alright, so the next thing again I'd like us to do is to make a copy of this sheet. So how do you do that? You simply have to press and hold your control key and drag to make a copy. So with this one, I'm just going to reduce the size. So I'll bring it there. And after doing that, I'll bring the outline back. So I see where I'm bringing the outline back. I'll come to the line section. So you can see we have no line here. We have no line because we remove the outline. So if you click on the solid line, it will appear. You can see how it looks like. So you have to come here, the width here. We are changing the width to 7. And the color here, we are changing it to this color. Alright, so we are not again stopping there. With this shape, I want us to insert the picture inside in it. So I don't want it to be a color, it should rather be a picture. So how do you do that? I can come and click on the picture or texture field. Just click on it this way. So this is the default one that you see. So we will insert the picture by coming here. So but before that, I want us to align it or position it well. Alright, so I think you see it's not looking bad. So now I'll then click on the insert button. And I have the pictures already in my device. All the pictures that we have to insert here are already in my device. So I'm just going to click on from afar. So you can see it will send me directly to where the pictures are. Because that's the default one I've been using to insert pictures. So I'll just click on the picture here. I'll double click on it to insert it. So you see it has been inserted. Alright. So now I want us to again go back to the insert tab and go to shapes. And then click on the oval shape again. So just click and enjoy your oval shape here. So the oval shape here, remove the outline again. And with this one, click on the shape fill again. You can do that here. You can come here and click here. So you are going to choose the purple here. So this purple also, I want us to customize this one. So I have to go back to here, to that button there, and go to more colors. So I can customize it by bringing it somewhere around here. So I will increase the darkness here. So this is a new color I have achieved. Alright, it's looking good for me. So now I want us to go to the insert tab and go to text box. I want us to insert a picture there. I see the picture, a text inside the sheet. So the text that we have to insert will be school admission year 2026. So I'll select it all, and the font I have to choose here will be impact. It should be impact. And the size should be 34 or 32. So I'm just going to change the color from here to this side. It should be the orange. So I have it here because it's a customized one. That's why it's at the recent colors. So I'll come here again and I'll choose this one as white. So let's select it this way and we'll align it at the center. Alright, so I'll align it at the bottom here. So now I want us to go back to the insert tab, go to shapes. So now I want us to come and insert this shape under the callouts. That's the speech bubble. So just click on it this way and click here to insert it. It's so small, so I will increase the size and remove the outline also. So with this one again, let's choose the shape fill as the orange. So I'll reduce it a little. So just select the shape this way and type in enroll now. So with this enroll also, the font that we have to use there should be the impact. So I have it here. And with the size, I'll go with 20. And the color, I'll go with the customized purple. So I'll increase this one and rotate it. Alright, so now I want us to take this one and make a copy here. I want us to change the text there. So it should be fun. Let me change it to black so I can see it clearly. So from the fun, we have exciting learning environment. Alright, so I'll select from here to this side, and the color will be the customized purple, and the environment only will be orange. So I'll select it all by using Ctrl A and align all of it to the left. And with the size, instead of 34, we are changing it to 24. So I'm not just going to stop there. I'm just going to make another copy of this one. And I will change this text into interactive and engaging it's supposed to be engaging learning. Alright, so I'll select it all, and the size there should be 16, and the font we'll choose a semi-bold, and the color should be black. Alright, so with this I'm just going to make another copy here, and I'm going to change the font here to Calibri, and I'll leave it at 16. So the text here, I already have it in my device, or I already have it, so I'm just going to simply use the Ctrl V to paste it there. So I'll increase there. I want all to fit in. So I'm trying to move only this one. So I can send this one top a little, so that I can have some space there. Alright, so I'm just going to take this one again and I'll press and hold the Ctrl key to make a copy here. So with this one, I want us to change the text there. So the first text should be academic excellence. So the color should be black. So here I'll need some services here as like in a form of 4 in number. So I'm just going to make a copy of this one a couple of times. So all it to be 4. Alright, so I guess I have 4 there. So here I will just change the text one after the other. So here lastly it will be smart, resource tracking. So I'm just using these points or services there for the sake of this video. Alright, so now I want us to insert some shape here in a form of bullets for these services that we've added here. So I will just simply go back to the setup, go to shapes. So then I will look for L shape. So I can locate the L shape somewhere around here. Yeah, it's here. The L shape, just click on it, you see. So let me zoom in. So we can insert it there. So I'll draw it here. So I'll gently rotate it and remove the outline. Okay, the shape fill should be the orange and the outline should be no outline. So I'm just reducing here a little. I just want it to look like bullets, nothing more, nothing less. Alright, so I have to increase here because it's like the height is still not satisfying enough. Alright, so I think you see it's not looking bad. So I'll align it here and make another copy here. So I'll need 2 more. Alright, so let me zoom out. So now I'm just going back to the insert tab again. I want us to insert a rectangle. So I'll just draw my rectangle here. And with the rectangle, when the properties of the shape appears here, I'll come to the line under the line section. So you can see with this shape, the outline. The outline, I'm going to choose this color right here, and I'll come here, under the line properties. So the width here, I'm choosing 5. And here, I'm not using just a solid color, I'm just going to use the picture. So I already have the picture in my device, so I'll just come here. That's under the field section, we have picture or texture field. So I'll click on that one. So this picture will insert because we've already used it before. But I would like us to change it, so I'll just go to the insert button. Click on from a file because like I said earlier on, all of the pictures are in my device. So I'll work on this one. So I'll increase it and rotate it a little. So I'm just going to make another copy here. And I'll rotate this one also to the other side round. So with this one, it has to be backward. So I'll send that one to the back. You see, under the shape, when I select this tree, we have shape format at the top there. Another tab will appear as shape format. So under there, you can have something like send backward. If you click on it a couple of times or once, it will send it to the back. You see what happens here. So I'm just going to change that one also to this picture. Alright, so now I want us to go back to the insert tab, locate shapes again, and go and click on the oval shape. So simply come and draw your oval here. So let me zoom in. I want to zoom in so I can have a clear view on how I'll draw it. So let's remove the outline. And the shape fill, we'll choose the purple customized. So let's just take this one. Or we'll make a copy here. We are going to change this text to more information. So under there, it should be contact detail. So I'll just use something like +123 456 7890. So let's change the font of all of it one after the other, or let's customize all of it one after the other. So here the font should be the impact. Size 16 is alright. So I'll take this one, and the size I'll go with 14. So more information, let me add colors. Alright, so I'm going to insert the picture inside here. So I'm not just going to select this one and insert the picture. Rather, I'm going to insert the picture directly from here. Because it's just going to be on top of it, but not inside the shape. So I'll click on pictures here and click on this device. So I have a phone icon here. I'll just double click on it this way to insert it. So I'll increase here. Alright, so let me zoom out. The last thing I want us to do here is to insert a logo here. So just go to the insert tab, go to shapes, because the logo is the picture. I have it right here, just double click on it this way to insert it. So I'll bring it here and reduce it. So this way is not bad. So I'll leave it here. So let me zoom out a little so you can see how our poster looks like. So as you can see, our poster looks nice and clean. Thank you so much for watching, and see you later in my next video.